Hi everyone, it is Miss O'Neill here with today's math lesson. It is a good day to have a good day. So we are still going with learning all about how to read time, all about clocks. We are on lesson number 5 in chapter 16, and today we're talking about something called elapsed time. Be my echo. Be my echo. Elapsed time. Elapsed time is a word that we use to talk about how much time has gone by. So if I start cooking my dinner at 5 o'clock and I am done cooking my dinner at let's just do this, at 6 o'clock, how much time has gone by? Is something that we can do here to help us solve it is look at how many jumps the hour hand makes. I made the hour hand make an H here and the minute hand has an M here. So we can take a look at how many jumps. From 5 to 6 is how many jumps? Just one. So I can tell because the hour hand made one jump that it took 1 hour to make my dinner. Let's go ahead and take a look inside of our math book to see what we can come up with. So, elapsed time, like I said. Let's go ahead and read the problem that we have at the very, very start here. Toys are on sale from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. How long does the toy sale last? So remember, p.m. is used for time between noon, 12 noon, and 12 midnight. So p.m. is talking about like the afternoon and the night hours. And a.m. is used for the time from 12 midnight to 12 noon, talking about the morning hours. So we have our Zoom meeting at 1 p.m. that's in the afternoon, but at 1 a.m. I'm asleep. All right, so we are going to count on a clock, because counting on a clock can help you find out how much time has passed. So step 1 here is saying we have to begin at the start time. The sale starts at 11 a.m. Let me grab my clock here. (11 a.m.) Then over here, step 2 says count on each hour to the end time. Sale ends at 2 p.m. So we go from 11, make a jump to 12, that's 1 hour. A jump to 1 o'clock, that's 2 hours. And a jump to 2 o'clock when the sale ends. How many hours? 1, 2, 3. Then you go ahead and trace that. 3 hours. So I'm working right now right from our actual textbook. And so you don't have this book. You have this paper. Go ahead and grab your math practice book. Turn to practice 16.5. It says elapsed time right on front, and we are going to work together just on number 1. So the directions here say for each problem you have to write the times, then write how much time has passed. So there are 2 things you need to do for each problem. Write the times first, the start time and then the end time, and then write how long this, how much time has passed over here. You can use this spot as like a little a scratch work area if you need to. So start time over here. Remember the hour hand is the long one, and then nope, I messed that up, I'm sorry. Jake is doing something distracting. The minute hand is the long one, minute hand is the long one, and then the hour hand is the short one. Boop. And boop. Awesome. So over here I have my minute hand at the 12, so I know I'm going to be ending in 0. double zero, double zero. And then I have my hour hand pointing right at a number. So over here, it's pointing right at the 2, so I know it's 2 o'clock. Over here, it's pointing right at the 4, so I know it's 4 o'clock. Now, what I'm going to do, you can do something a little bit different if it would help you, but there we go. I am going to do a couple jumps here. So I know it starts at the 2. I draw right on the clocks from 1 to 4 because I know that's when it ends. Even though it looks like a 3, it's not a 3 over here. There's 1 jump and there's 2 jumps. So I know how much time has passed. It is 2 hours. So let's work on this next one together-ish. Okay, you are going to write the times. And then, yeah, I'm not going to write anything down. My hands are empty. I'm just going to be walking you through it. So the first thing we need to do is figure out what this clock is saying. So go ahead. Is this one up here? Oh, nails are kind of messed up. Is this hand up at the top the hour or the minute? Nice, that's the minute. So this hand is the hour. What time is it over here? And write it down over here. Minute hand is pointing right up at the 12 again over here. So all you have to do is figure out the hour. Put it down there. So right now you have both times written down for number 2. And now you find your way to go ahead and show me how many hours have passed. You could do something like I did, and you can go ahead and draw your bumps. Another thing that you could do is, because these are both AM, you could do some quick subtraction in your head, right? So up at the top here, it says 4 p.m. to 2 p.m. You could do 4 minus 2 is 2 hours. So you could do this time minus this time and show me how many hours over there. All right, I hope this was helpful. Elapsed time is a little bit tricky, but I think we got it. Awesome. I love you a lot. I miss you a bunch, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.